Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to check if your Windows 10 is activated or not. So it's a very simple thing. Let's get straight into it. So first off, if you have this PC here, that's good, but if not, I'll teach you and I'll guide you on how to do that. So you're just going to go into just in your desktop, just right click on a blank space, go into personalize, and then here go into themes and go into desktop icon settings. Okay, and make sure your computer is checked. Okay, so once you do that, your computer will be enabled here. Just right click on that and go into properties, and here you can see it says change product key or upgrade your Windows edition. That means your computer is activated. Windows is activated. If Windows is not activated, you have a big pop-up here that says activate Windows. So that's how you know your Windows version is activated. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other issues and any problems, please put it in the comments below. I think that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching.